Okay, people, for our anniversary, we went to a really cool event at the SF Mint.
So this was a pride event celebrating local queer leaders in San Francisco and the Bay Area through plants and all kinds of beautiful things with roots.
A floral celebration of joy and inclusivity created by San Francisco's talented floral artists. Admire the historical grandeur of the San Francisco Mint, which Matthew, the security person who took us through the underbelly of the building so that we could get in, said used to be like the US Mint, the spot where money was made. Well, money was literally created, not made. And now money is being made here by renting it out to events.
80 years ago, the building was given from the federal government to SF. Apparently, they rented it out to a vampire cult for a while, which is amazing. I want to know more about that.
This is Catherine. What's your role?
I'm the comms director of Fleurs de Villes, and I am going to give you an amazing tour.
Yay! And we just got here. It was a while with the handicap accessibility thing because there's this beautiful staircase. But we got in and we're gonna see the flowers now. I love that we can see who designed each one. Oh, it's Sean Penn, sweetie.
Actually, it's Harvey Milk.
Harvey Milk.
Look at the jacket. It's made out of the pants.
The pants are made out of a grass, and the jacket is made out of velvety leaves, and the tie is a rainbow, and the hair is also grass. And I just love this. There's some kind of fungal thing over here, and cattails, feathers, roses. Yeah, it's little pieces of twig or grass or something. It says hope will never be silent.
Even the font is twig.
Even the font is twig. It's being held up by the string.
Oh, I see.
Apparently under here there's this whole crazy situation.
A lot of engineering went into this to keep the flowers fresh. A whole engineering system. Is each one created by a different design team?
Completely a different florist. We might see a couple of repeats where a local florist has done more than one.
Cool.
But they're all local florists, all based here in San Francisco, and incredibly talented. Design something with, again, all these hidden water sources and spilled glass and mechanics they've never been tasked with before.
Yeah.
So it's a huge and very new challenge for all of our florists. This is our first year in San Francisco. So all the florists, everything is new to us. So everyone's had to learn pretty quick.
But I love that they're local florists.
Oh yeah,
so it's
sure.
you really get to immerse yourself in the culture here, and then they get to benefit from it. Oh, it's Marsha P. Johnson.
Even though Marsha P. Johnson is not local to the Bay Area, Pride literally would not be Pride without her.
So of course it was incredibly important to honor her in this way.
I love the accent.
I'm obsessed with this. Also, blue and pink are our favorite colors.
Oh, that's cute. I like this.
Y'all, we're not fully sure why Nancy Pelosi was included in this, but whatever. She was in a room called the Coming Out of the Closet Doors, and here's us out of the closet.
Nancy Pelosi is looking fabulous. Look at her pose.
She's got a whole gown on, and look at the little, there's cattail or something on her back. That's dope. Say hi, baby. Oh my God, it is your hair. That's amazing. Yeah. Queen Charlotte.
Sorrow's press. If you go, please do a Queen Charlotte sketch.
Ay, mariposa. Butterflies have a lot of importance in our lives.
We have various award categories most creative, most realistic, best in
Wow.
shows. And then, as you see in the ballot, all of the guests get to vote for their favorite.
Yeah.
So Nas over here, what our most realistic award. And he was here last Friday posing with his tribute. Wayne Pham is the current president of SF Pride. Most creative, I think, or best in show.
That's beautiful.
And really fun too to see their inspiration photos, which can, not look like a lot.
We really loved this one of Arya Saeed. And then there was Maya Satya, who I voted for because I just absolutely loved that butterfly. So a trans flag? And then we had Margaret Cho. We love her.
This looks like a vagina. That's nice.
It does look like a vagina.
Security up here, with their guns pointed down while people used to count the money.
That's why that's there.
That's America for you.
Gail and Phyllis, they were a little bit stunty because the Florence really wanted to show them holding hands.
Oh, that's cute.
Bayard Rustin was a gay and civil rights icon and leader, instrumental on the March on Washington. If you don't know, now you know.
It's a rainbow, it's a trans flag, and it's a bisexual flag. Gilbert Baker, who designed the rainbow flag, was actually wearing a pretty simple outfit, but I really love how they incorporated the rainbow through the flowers and everything around him. It's a dress made out of leaves.
I want this outfit. I could rock this for sure. It's my 80s vibe. Oh, it's a little bridge.
Golden Gate Field, City Five.
It's Golden Gate Field?
Yeah.
Wait, that is cute. So actually, correction, this installation is called Golden Gate Florals. But this is a beautiful Golden Gate Bridge, and actually the area surrounding Golden Gate Bridge is like a little park called Chrissy Field, and it's just beautiful to drive by. Actually, one of my favorite things in San Francisco to do is just drive by and see like the lovely buildings, especially during the sunset. On one side in an area, it's just like the Presidio. It's like all these amazing, crazy ass mansions. Oh, there's my amazing, crazy wife, always making me smile and laugh.
Oh my god, that's cool. It's a bird.
Oh, look! That is so cool. Every branch is like painted. It is incredible.
Posing here with Shannon is a drag queen named Peaches Christ, who's based in San Francisco and was the principal at our queer prom a few weeks ago.
Cool, baby. Hi.
Jose Julio Sarria was the first openly gay candidate to run for office in the United States in 1961. I absolutely loved how his outfit was totally black. There was still so much dimension and so many different kinds of foliage and flowers on it.
You happy, baby?
Which one are you voting for?
I voted for the Maya Sepia one because I like the butterfly.
Nice. We're at the end of our exhibit voting. It was lovely. We took some photos and videos. But look at this hallway. Even like the flowers hanging from the lights are just gorgeous.
Oh, and here's my beautiful wife dancing. We highly recommend this event to anyone who's trying to find something low-key or chill to do, but on Thursdays and Fridays, they do have a DJ and cocktails. Today, June 23rd, it's actually $10 for everyone who wants to come. Check it out before it closes on July 4th. We had a lovely time. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Good anniversary date?
Yes.
Yay!
Great first anniversary.